19,500, 25,000 Kenyan shilling. Unapata these two products. Hii ni ya Hisense 7.5 kg semi-automatic washing machine, na hii ni ya Tilak 9 kg semi-automatic washing machine. Zote ni twin tab, na tulisemanga twin tab ni kwa sababu ziko na these two compartment. You can see it has these two compartment. Here it's where you do your washing, hapa ndo unafanya your air drying. Imagine hizi tu, the controlling knobs zao ziko hapa. Pia you can see the controlling knobs zake ziko hapa for the Tilak and for the Hisense. So here it's about the preference na taste na brand yenye unataka. This one is for Hisense and this one is for Tilak. Tumesema this one goes for only 19,500 and this one goes for only 25,000 Kenyan shilling. You can get this product hapa kwetu at Tenza. We are located at Hazina Trade Center, Mezzanine 1, shop number 2. Ama you can shop with our website, which is www.atenzahomappliances.co.ke.